Now the question most people want answered, how does the bed system work? First thing to do, fold down the back shelf. Moving round inside the van, first push all the headrests down, lift the seat cushion, pull it forward, then it simply hinges back. Then the release handle for the rear squab is here on the right hand side. Simply lift it up, the seat itself swivels forward, folds down, voila, a double bed. When it comes to putting the bed back again, simple reverse the procedures. There's two little grab handles in here, a firm pull, the back automatically locks in place, fold the seat over and push back. Like all good systems, the sliding seat is simplicity itself. Release the two catches, pull the bar, and it simply rolls forward to these crash-tested positions where you can travel in complete safety.